Hi, today we will be changing the oil on an 04 Sienna LE. Stay tuned. Gonna open this, loose the cover. Okay, for the Sienna, the oil pan is right here on the passenger side, and then that's the plug right there. Extension. We got it. Yeah. Okay. You could tighten it more if you want.
Oh, you tighten.
Me did, but to my tight.
Let me see.
Go more? The oil filter is right there. Oil filter wrench.
Ahí lo que come ahora sí. I'm checking.
we're gonna reset the maintenance light now. We're gonna put the ignition on. It's already on odometer, but just for demonstration purposes, get it to odometer. Take the key out, hold this down, and we're going to put the ignition back on. And you're reset. Done. Yeah, I know you see that. I know you see that number. See that number? Okay, yeah, that video wasn't the best. It was tough for me to film the oil filter, where the oil filter was, because my dad was loosening it at the bottom, and then I was trying to film it from the top, but it was kind of blocked, and plus it was hot there, so I didn't want to burn my hand, you know. But yeah, I tried my best to show you the location, but you can see it. It's really easy, but you get the gist, right? We used a 14mm socket with a 3/8 ratchet for the oil drain plug, and then for the oil filter we had a adjustable oil filter wrench. There's specific ones made for Toyota Lexus, but the one we had was an adjustable one. And then you need obviously a oil filter specific one. You could just go to the parts store and ask for, just give them your make and model and year of the car, and you get that right there. You'll get the oil one time too if you don't know what kind of oil to use. The Sienna, we put 530. Always Mobil 1 full synthetic. The oil filter I don't think really matters, but I prefer Purolator or Mobil 1 if they don't have Purolator. But my dad got CarQuest, so gotta use what he got, you know. To many more oil changes because it's a lifetime thing. I'll be better next time. I'll probably do the Tundra next, so stay tuned for that one. Thank you for coming along and watching me and my dad change the oil on our beloved Sienna Jeffrey. He's going good, running strong. 200,000 mile club coming soon. Like, comment, subscribe. Do whatever you want. Do whatever you please. Have a great night. See you later.